Good morning, all of you. Welcome to our iTech channel. Today, I would like to give you a brief view on study in Germany. As you are aware that the conditions in USA now many students are willing to join in Germany. Just I would like to give a brief picture on the study in Germany. See, there are two categories of institutions in Germany. One is the government institutions, the second is the private institutions. In addition to engineering, especially in Germany, you are aware that mechanical engineer is more in demand. In addition to mechanical engineering, electronics, ECE, and IT courses also you can pursue in Germany in government institutions as well as private institutions. When we compare with the fee structure, almost around 24 to 30 lakhs, you can finish the post-graduation program. Another important thing is the management courses. After BBA, the students can go for a management courses. In Germany, they are offering a very demanded course now. And if you finish the post-graduation course in management in Germany, immediately you will get a job with a 50 lakhs package per annum. So it is a good opportunity now to pursue either management or engineering courses. And another important thing is, if you have any gap, for example, after BTech, there may be gap for 3 years or 4 years. Even after 10 years also, you can go and pursue the postgraduate courses in Germany. But what is important here is the learning a German language is a mandatory. See, there are in language program A1, A2, B1, B2. And if you have even a B2 also, if you go for a course, if you have a B2 qualified in the German language, then you are allowed to do part-time job. That is another feather for the study in Germany. So, in the next episode, we will give you a detailed view on the study in Germany in a different stages, especially what are the institutions, what are the eligibility, and those things, and we can provide you in the next episode. So if you come through our iTech, definitely, transparently, we'll take care of everything. So you can trust us. Thank you. Thank you very much.